Three.js Tips, Tricks and Techniques. Course Overview. Hi, I'm Nick Lever and I've been working with real-time 3D in the browser for over 20 years. Over the last 5 years I've been working with the Three.js library. This terrific library was created by Ricardo Cabello, Mr. Doob, in 2010. At the time of recording it was on iteration 111. That's a lot of development. There is an extensive community helping to author the library. I recommend that you have a serious look at the showcase on the 3gs.org website to see some of the amazing things that have been developed using the library, some by some serious names. Learning the library will not turn out to be a dead end. Most tutorials for 3gs suit a complete beginner. This course is more the intermediate level. There are few tutorials that cater for this level of developer. If you've never met the library before, then I would recommend my other packed course, Hands-on 3gs, which is firmly aimed at the beginner. In this course, we'll look at the less used ways of creating geometry using the 3gs library, how you can use helpers and other debugging tips, how you can use GLSL, that's the OpenGL shading language, to create some great shaders, how you can link a physics library to your 3gs apps to get your objects moving, how Blender can be a great and free accompaniment to 3gs. Blender is a modeling application with extensive support worldwide. We'll look at using particle effects to add some real eye candy to your apps, and we'll look at pathfinding and audio. I use CodePen throughout the course, and all the examples in the course are available using this link. Using CodePen means you have no setup to worry about. Just fork the examples and edit away. If you prefer to use your own code editor, then here is a link to the GitHub repo for the course. If you do decide to use a code editor, then make sure you view your examples using a web server. If you don't currently have a web server, then consider installing Web Server for Chrome. It's by far the easiest option. Just set the Choose Folder button to the root of the downloaded repo and you're ready to go. Nearly every example has a Start and Complete option. If you're entering code as I describe it, then use the Start version. 3gs is a terrific library with lots of support. I'd love to see the things you create using the tips, tricks and techniques in this course. If you have a Facebook account, then join my 3gs group using this link. I'm looking forward to showing you 35 tips, tricks and techniques to take you much further on your 3gs journey. See you in a minute.